Hi, let's trace the land boundary in this lecture. We have already created the layer names in accordance with BS and Uniclass. I'll pick the layer name of boundary and I'll copy that, and in AutoCAD we'll create a new layer and I'll give the same name. Then let's check the line weight here. It is 0.25. So in CAD also I'll change the line weight. It says default. The default is 0.25 only. I'll select the value here because then it displays here. And then the color of the layer, I can choose anything. I'll just select this blue color and say OK. So my layer creation is done. I'll close it. Then let's draw it. But before that, I want to activate that particular layer. So I'll activate the boundary layer. Then using the line, I'll draw that. So when you trace this line, we can see the image line that is pixelating and it's not clear. So since we are dealing with the image, we have to be accurate as maximum as possible. I'll try to make this as a complete line, but if you find even a small deviation, better do part by part. Okay, now I'll say C enter to close. So I have made the land boundary of lot number 2 and I want to continue with the other lots also. And here, since this is a road, I'll make this as a one single line. It seems straight. And again here, I'll do part by part. Now I can pick this endpoint, but this side, see, I'm picking the nearest point because I have already turned on my object snaps nearest always on. Okay, we have completed tracing the land boundary in AutoCAD. Let's continue with the next lecture.